Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Lowe's Pro services for material ordering and receipts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Lowe's Pro services for material ordering and receipts, start by visiting the Lowe's website. Look for the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your account credentials and click sign in. If you don't have an account, select create an account and follow the prompts to register. Once logged in, navigate to the Pro Services section in the main menu. Click on Pro Account to access the features available for professionals. Review the services offered, focusing on material ordering and receipt management. Select the option to enable material ordering services. You might need to provide additional information about your business. Fill out any required fields and submit the form. After your request is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Next, return to the Pro Services section to access your ordering dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface, including how to search for materials. To place an order, select the items you need from the product listings. Adjust the quantities as necessary, then click Add to Cart. Once you've added everything you need, go to your shopping cart. Review your order to ensure accuracy before proceeding to checkout. Select your preferred payment method and provide billing details if prompted. After completing your order, keep an eye out for an email receipt. This receipt will be crucial for any future reference or expense tracking. Finally, if you face any issues, contact Lowe's customer support for assistance. You're now set up to use Lowe's Pro services for efficient material ordering and receipt management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.